Okay guys, I told you I'd come back. I just pulled the lasagna out of the oven. That's what that looks like. I had a little left over, so I put it there. And we have some spinach some kale cooking here. And I decided I'm going to make a cashew cream sauce to go on top. So we'll get started with that. Here we have raw cashews, some apple cider vinegar, and some lemons. So you're going to take 1 cup of cashews. Some people like to soak them overnight, but I just thought of this last second. So, or even soak them for a few hours, but I just thought of this last second, so I'm going to give it a try. And I'm going to put it into my food processor. Okay, next you're going to squeeze 1/2 of a lemon into your food processor. And now I'm going to try 1 capful of the apple cider vinegar by Mama Bragg's. And then we're going to use about 1/2 cup of water. Next step you want to do is just go ahead and put the lid on and start blending. This is starting to make a nice liquidy paste, really. Now you want to scrape it down. Here's what it's looking like. You see it's still got some chunks in there. So we're going to keep blending. Now I like my creamy stuff a little bit sweeter, so I'm going to drop in, this is a cap of maple syrup. This is about all I'm putting in. Just a little bit more. And now we're going to blend that up. Okay, that seems to be about the right consistency. Like I said, if you go ahead and soak them for about 4 hours, it'll get those little pieces out, but I'm not worried about it. It's just a last minute little topping for the top of the lasagna. That's how you want it though, so where it's solid on the spatula. Okay, and here we have it all plated up. So you see, there's the lasagna. And there's the cashew sauce. I just put it on top with spatula. And we have some kale, cooked kale, and a nice salad. So there you go. Hope you like this recipe and enjoy eating it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.